This week's boiler tip, we're going to take a close look at a misconception that often leads to problems in the boiler room. If you look at the McDonnell Miller head for a 150 and you look at the column for a 93 head, the flanges are identical. In fact, the flanges are at about the same angle. So you might presume that you could remove a 150 head and just pop a 93 head in there and get modulating control without changing the column. And that's not going to work, and let me show you why. So we succeeded on getting the head mounted on there and everything looks good from the outside. The problem is inside. The amount of range for travel of this float will allow the burner switch to make or break, but as you can see, the slide wire doesn't have sufficient range. So we end up with the feed water valve not opening and closing correctly, and it's not going to work. So basically the only way to successfully use this head on the boiler is to have the correct column.